Okay, this is going to be special right triangles. Here you have two types of right triangles. You have the 45, 45, 90, which is going to be the easier one, and then you have the 30, 60, 90. Here you have the formulas. I'm going to add a couple of them on here. So you have two things. You have the hypotenuse, which is here. Oh, hang on. You have the hypotenuse, which is here. This is the hypotenuse. And then you have legs. So you have these two legs on this one, and then you have these two legs on this one. So you have an additional formula you can add on here, and I have that for you on the formula board, but if you need it here, this is to get the hypotenuse by itself, but to get the leg, you would divide by that. So it's going to be leg equals the hypotenuse divided by square root of 2, but then you have to do this. So that's going to be, these turn into 2, so it's going to be hypotenuse square root of 2 divided by 2. So that would be the formula for the leg. And then over here, if I just flip these around, figure out how to make this scroll down. Here we go. If I just flip these around, then you have the short leg. Put this over here. The short leg equals the hypotenuse divided by 2. And then this one you have the long leg. Oh no, that's already there. So you have the short leg is also equal to the long leg divided by the square root of 3. But then you can't keep a square root in the denominator, so you multiply this by square root of 3 over square root of 3. So the short leg, you can also say it's the long times square root of 3 divided by 3. So that's another formula. So here you have the additional formulas for the leg and also for the short side. Okay, going to these practice problems. These are all going to be 45, 45, 90 triangles. So 45, oops. So 45, here we go. You have 45 and 45 and 90. 45 and 45. Because these two are the same, that means these angles are also the same. And that's 90, so same thing here, 45, 45, 90. Same thing here. If that's 45, this has to be 45. Because three angles have to add up to 180. So all you need is the formula. I'm going to copy that down over here. So hypotenuse equals leg times square root of 2. So magic formula, hypotenuse equals leg times square root of 2. So here the leg is 10 on number 1. This is also 10. I'm going to change colors here. So that's 10, that's also 10. So that means the leg is 10. So that means the hypotenuse is 10 times the square root of 2. And that's it. When you do this one, do the same thing. The leg is square root of 2 over 2, and you multiply that by the square root of 2. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4 divided by 2. Square root of 4 is 2, so 2 divided by 2 equals 1. That's the answer to this one. These other two Now you have, let's use this formula. So I'm going to write this one out. Height equals leg square root of 2. So here you have the hypotenuse. 8 square root of 2 equals, the leg is x square root of 2. So to get x by itself, you divide by square root of 2. Divide by square root of 2. These reduce, you get 8 equals x for this one. Change colors one more time just so you can see. Start with formula. Height equals leg square root of 2. So height is 12 equals leg, no, undo. So height is 12 equals x square root of 2. So in this case, you'll divide by square root of 2. Divide by square root of 2. So x equals 12 over square root of 2. To get the fully correct answer, you have to do this, because you can't keep that square root at the bottom. So 12 square roots of 2 divided by 2. Okay, I'm going to show you one more way to do this one. If you want to just use this formula here, this one, make this one blue, light blue. Okay, leg equals height square root of 2 over 2. So let's come back to number 4. So leg square root of, what was that formula? That was not right. So it's leg equals height square root of 2 over 2. All you have to do is take the, oh yeah, that's all you have to do. Leg equals, the height is 12. 12 square root of 2 over 2, which is 12 divided by 2 is 6. So this is actually the answer is 6 square root of 2, which I forgot to reduce right there. It's going to be the same thing. I forgot to reduce that one. Okay, that's all for this one. No, it's not. Just kidding. We still got to do the 30, 60, 90s. That's all for the 45, 45, 90s. So that's the first section of what you're doing. If you need to go into, if you need to replay, go back. This is the 2 basic types of things you have. If you must, you can just approximate these to decimals. So this is like, I really don't know what this is. It's like 15 point something. I don't know. Some weird number, but it's going to be an irrational number where these keep going. So if you do it that way, you can. These are the exact answers the way they're supposed to be, but it's whatever. Okay, so these are the 30, 60, 90 triangles. That's 30, this one is 60. Oh, there, it's 60. So 30, 60, 90, these are all 30, 60, 90. I'm going to get the formulas real quick. Okay, so these are the formulas that I had at the beginning. So I'm just going to use these to solve what I'm doing up here. So for x, let's see, this is the height, this is the short, this is the long. This is the height, this is the short, this is the long. This is the height, this is the short, and this is the long. Okay, so solving these. So for this one, we need the height. So height is 2 times short. So height equals 2 short. Then we also need long. Long equals short times square root of 3. So 2 times the short is 2 times 15. So the height equals 30. Then the long is, what is it, 15 square root of 3. So that's the long. Okay. Let's go to this one. We need the long and we need the short. So we need a short. Let's use this one. So short equals height divided by 2. So short equals 22 divided by 2. Short equals 11. And then we need the long. So long is going to be, let's use this one. So long equals short times square root of 3. So long equals 11 square root of 3. Because I use this answer for short. You could have used, well, yeah, that's what you do. Okay, then let's do, for this one you need the height and you need the short. So which formula? Height is too short. So we have the long. So we can use, this one has something we can use. So short equals long square root of 3 over 3. Short is 9 square root of 3 over 3. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 3 square root of 3. That's the short. Equals S. Now that that's 3 square root of 3, that makes this easier because the height equals 2 short. So 2 times 3 square root of 3. All I have to do for this, 2 times 3 is 6. So height equals 6 square root of 3. That concludes this part. Okay, last one on here. I think I can squeeze this in before my time runs out in this video. You have two triangles. So you have this red one in here. It's a 30, 60, 90. You also have this blue one on the outside. It's also a 30, 60, 90 triangle. We need to find the area of the blue one. Okay. Oh, I don't actually have a calculator with me, so I'm gonna just have to work this out. Find the area of DEF. I'm gonna run out of time on this video. Okay, I'll finish this on another video. There's only a 15-minute limit on these screencast videos, so I'll finish this in a sec.